Listen and practice. Unit 1. A big wind. A big wind is blowing. Look, the leaves are flying. The wind can blow trees down. It can blow houses down. My house is old. Will it come down? Vocabulary. 1. Leaf. Meaning one of the thin, flat, usually green parts of a plant or tree. 2. Blow. Meaning to move because of the wind or a current of air. 3. Tree. Meaning a tall plant that can live for a long time. Repeat out loud, and learn. Unit 2. Zoo manners. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump, he's very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee, he thinks he's as wise as you or me. Vocabulary. 1. Zoo. Meaning an area in which animals, especially wild animals, are kept so that people can go and look at them or study them. 2. Proud. Meaning feeling deep pleasure or satisfaction as a result of one's own achievements, qualities, or possessions. 3. Wise. Meaning having or showing experience, knowledge, and good judgment. 4. Penguin. Meaning, a black and white bird that cannot fly but uses its small wings to help it swim. Repeat out loud, and learn.